Welcome to Edjo Learning Platform. Today we are learning about a basic concept of food, nutrition and balanced diet. It is very useful for food technology, nutritional biochemistry and all. We have to understand what do you mean by food. Food is any edible material that support growth, repair and maintenance of the body. An edible substance that we consume. And classification of food, it includes classification of food by origin, food of plant origin, food of animal origin. And next we classified food by chemicals. What are chemical or what are called nutrients are included in the food? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and mineral. And next three classification is energy supplying food, cereals, sugar, root, tubers, fat, etc. And the classification of food based on predominant function. And repairing and maintenance use vegetables, fruits and milk. And fourth classification is food by sources, cereals, legumes, green vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, egg and milk, fat, oil, nuts, oil, etc. Then what do you mean by nutrient? Organic and inorganic complexes contained in food are called nutrients. Useful chemical substance derived from food is known as nutrients. Nutrients means example is carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, mineral. All comes under the category nutrients. Nutrients also divided into two, micronutrient and macronutrient. Macro means contain in large quantity, micro means small quantity. Nutrients are divided into two parts, macronutrients and micronutrients. Each nutrient has its own specific function. Most of the food contain more than one nutrient. 50 different nutrients supplied by food to our body. These nutrients is most important nutrient are divided into two parts, macronutrients and micronutrients. Next we will discuss about macronutrients. These are protein, fat and carbohydrate which are often called proximate principles, main bulk of food. For proper utilization of macronutrient needs micronutrient. They contribute to the total energy intake as carbohydrate 60 to 80%, fat 10 to 30%, protein 7 to 15%. Micronutrients requires in small quantity, so-called micronutrient, that is vitamins and minerals. The quantity of nutrients required depend upon age, sex, weight, physical activity and health status of the body. First of all, just you understand what is macronutrient and micronutrient. Macro means large quantity, carbohydrate, protein, etc. So balanced diet means what? A balanced diet is defined as one which contains a variety of food in such a quantities and proportion in the need of energy, amino vitamins, mineral, fats, carbohydrate and other nutrients is adequately meant for maintaining health, vitality and general well-being. A balanced diet is the accepted means to safeguard a population from nutritional deficiencies. Balanced diet is a variety of food which contain a variety of food. These are recommended balanced diet for adult man and adult woman. Cereals for and this example for saturated fat, food containing unsaturated fat, and these are some food containing fat content. The dietary goals recommended by World saturated fat should contribute no more than 10% of total energy intake. Remaining fat required should replace by unsaturated fat. We already seen the pictures what all food which contain saturated fat and which contain unsaturated fat. Thank you. This is a basic knowledge of food, nutrition, and balanced diet. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you. More videos, press bell icon, then make sure that you will get all the notification.